Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, and today we're diving deep into how you can use lemongrass essential oil as an amazingly effective natural bug repellent. If you're tired of being bothered by insects but want to avoid harsh synthetic chemicals, these 5 simple remedies are for you. Remedy 1. Lemongrass oil spray. To make a natural insect repellent spray, mix 15-20 drops of lemongrass essential oil with 1 cup of distilled or boiled water in a glass spray bottle. For extra power, add 5-10 drops of other insect-repelling oils like citronella, eucalyptus, or peppermint. Shake well before each use and spray liberally around windows, doors, baseboards, and anywhere else bugs tend to come in. Reapply every 2-3 days or after rain. This spray also works great on outdoor furniture and camping gear. Remedy 2. Lemongrass oil lotion. Repel insects on your skin by mixing 5-10 drops of lemongrass oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or almond. Apply the lotion to exposed skin before going outdoors, being careful to avoid the eye area. You can also add a few drops of lemongrass to your regular unscented lotion or sunscreen. Reapply every few hours for continuous protection. Remedy 3. Lemongrass oil diffuser. Blend. Using an essential oil diffuser is a great way to keep insects out of your indoor spaces. Combine 5 drops each of lemongrass, cedarwood, and lavender oils with water in your diffuser and let it run, especially during peak bug times like summer evenings. The scent will deter insects while also providing a pleasant aroma. You can also make a room spray by combining the same oils with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Remedy 4. Lemongrass oil candles. Add a few drops of lemongrass oil to beeswax or soy candles before burning them on your patio or deck to keep bugs away. You can also place a few drops on cotton balls and tuck them into candle holders around outdoor seating areas. The heat from the candles will diffuse the scent, creating a bug-repelling perimeter. Remedy 5. Lemongrass plant. For long-term insect control, grow your own lemongrass plants in pots or in your garden. The plants themselves emit a strong scent that repels many insects. You can also harvest the stalks, crush them, and steep in boiling water to create a spray. Strain out the stalks, let the liquid cool, then pour into a spray bottle. Use within a week for best results. Closing. There you have it, 5 easy and effective ways to harness the power of lemongrass oil to repel annoying insects without resorting to toxic chemicals. Give these remedies a try and see which ones work best for you. And be sure to stock up on high-quality, pure lemongrass essential oil so you're ready all season long. If you found this information useful, hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more natural remedy guides, subscribe to the Natural Home Remedy channel. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.